All right, so here we go. It's going to be the recap for this Monday, September 5th, 2023. Only traded one of the indices. I had a couple shorts going on today. We had the mini Russell, which I did not take. Some of our subscribers did very well. Nice, beautiful move on the mini Russell. But we also had a nice little trade on the mini down. That's the one that I took. That came in shortly after the opening, about 45 minutes in. Went ahead and sold. This turned out to be what we call an HF2 short. On the mini down. I did hold on to this for quite a while because this was my target down here. Once again, just only looking to hit that first target on these indices. I finally did hit it, but that was several hours later, shortly after 1 o'clock. I finally did hit it, and I went and exited, made a little bit of money on the mini down. Once again, biggest day was going to be on the stocks. Once again, as I mentioned, September has always been a really good month for me, so I love trading the month of September and actually October as well. But October I tend to be a little bit more short bias, so I'm going to be a little bit more short bias in the month of September when it comes to the indices. Stocks always continue to buy, so we'll wait and see what happens in October. But September, a really good month for me, so always looking forward to the month of September. So let's see how we did in the stocks today. All right, so this is YANG. We'll take a look at this. First trade I put on this morning was on GDC. Keep that in mind, GDC. I'm carrying that overnight. Little profit going in to the closing bell, so I'm going to carry that over, see if we can get a little bit more out of it tomorrow morning. Not too concerned about a GDC, but I am long GDC. And I'm also traded JDST. I did trade JDST, exited JDST. Continue to keep that on the radar. Continue to trade JDST. But where the action was today was on VERB. VERB seemed to have a lot of interest. I did have an HF1 buy coming out of the opening. I did hold on to this for about 30 minutes. It finally pulled back. I had a much higher target up here, and I didn't like the fact that it was pulling back. So I went ahead and I actually did make a profit on my first trade on VERB. But I did come in and trade again towards the end of the day. Once again, this is typically what happens. You get these stocks, you kind of just go flat for a while, and then they heat up again in the afternoon. So I like to get in, and once again, when I'm trading in the afternoon, I like to go for that very first target. I'm not looking for a big run in the afternoon. So if I can hit my target, I'm happy, and that's pretty much what happened today. I had a nice little HF2 buy. After 3 o'clock, got into it. We did actually halt on VERB, so I caught it into the halt. Opened, then we ran back up above 3. My stop was right above 3. That's exactly where I got out. So I had a resting order to get out of this VERB. Buying in at 249 and getting out at 3. So just a beautiful day on VERB. So we'll take a look and see what we did here. VERB, once again, big trade today, a lot of interest. Love JDST, continuing getting in and out of JDST. CXAI was one that came in later in the day. CXAI, since it came in later in the day, I like to go for that first target. So what I do is once I get in, I'll put a resting order up there in order to get out, unless for some reason it goes south against me. And I'll go ahead and I'll take a loss on it and then cancel that resting order. But in this case, never had to worry about that. CXAI, just a beautiful trade. Did hit my target. Same thing with ARQQ. ARQQ was just a slow mover, but able to get out of that okay. And then MFH. MFH was a no-go. It was just like volume was just totally dried up. Unfortunately, I thought that we were going to have a nice little move. It was trying, but the problem was the volume just wasn't there. So I went ahead and got out. And what happened is that the spread between the bid and the ask was getting a little bit big. So I definitely had some slippage on that. But $150, not too bad on MFH. Overall, really nice day when you look at what I did with stocks and I did with the mini down. If you'd like to trade along with me or follow me when I'm trading in the morning, you can do that. Every morning, first 30 minutes is open to everybody, so you can watch. If you'd like to continue on and get access to my watch list, stocks that I'm watching in the morning, also have one that I put out in the afternoon, and the indices and or commodities like gold and natural gas, so forth. You can join my Discord channel and watch as I continue to trade throughout the morning. And if I see something coming in the afternoon and in the end of the day here, during a power hour. You'll watch those trades as well. You can do that by joining us for a Discord channel. You can have access to that via my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. Also, please check out all the videos I have on innovative trading strategies. I probably have 300-400 videos out there, so a lot of really good stuff. Did a lot of stuff with Nadix. I still like Nadix as far as the knockouts are concerned, but I'm finding myself doing a lot more on the stocks right now, because it just seems like there's a lot of really good volatility in stocks right now. So as far as Nadix is concerned, if you're not familiar with Nadix, you may want to check out Nadix. I'm doing a lot more on what they call the knockout. So when I'm trading indices, or I'm trading gold or natural gas crude, I'm using their knockouts. Okay, so definitely some advantages to using that as far as trading the commodities. So anyway, that's it. We'll be back again tomorrow. And like I said, September's always a good month. I love the month of September. So always look forward to the month of September. We should continue to see some really good volatility. So this is a great time to be trading, folks. All right, that's it. Everybody have a good day. See you tomorrow morning.